Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show how to replace the data source without any impact to your existing dashboard. I'm using Tableau Professional Edition version 10. To get started with, I will use the sample superstore data. We'll try to visualize my profit for last 4 years in a trend analysis. Now imagine this is your dashboard which is already there. What your data is in a different file without any impact. We can do this just by establishing a new data connection. Select the new source, then pull your data sheet, go back to your visualization, click on replace data source. This is the current and this is the replacement. Click on OK. So that's it. So the condition is your data file should have the same schema of your previous file. So I hope this is an informational video for you. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.